Welcome to Marvelous Host, the go-to space for Airbnb hosts who want to level up. Today's topic: furnishing your Airbnb like a pro. How you furnish your space can make or break the guest experience and your reviews. Whether you're setting up your first listing or upgrading your current one, this guide will help you create a space that feels thoughtful, welcoming, and five-star ready. Let's dive in. Before you buy a single chair, ask yourself this: who is your ideal guest? Are you hosting families, digital nomads, couples on a weekend getaway, furnishing a cozy studio downtown, or a spacious cabin in the woods? The vibe and function of your furnishings should match your guest profile. For example, business travelers love a clean desk and good lighting. Families appreciate a dining area and a washer-dryer. Couples may care more about mood lighting and comfort. Your furniture choices should speak to their needs. Every successful Airbnb, regardless of size or style, needs these basics: a comfortable bed with high-quality bedding, a sturdy dining table with chairs, a sitting area, even if it's just a small love seat, nightstands with lamps, storage, closets, drawers, or at least hooks, a functional workspace or desk if possible. No need to go ultra fancy. Focus on comfort, functionality, and durability. Now let's go one layer deeper. Put yourself in the guest's shoes. What makes your stay go from okay to wow? It's the details. Plug points near the bed, a full-length mirror, a place to hang towels, extra blankets and pillows, blackout curtains for light sleepers. These little things matter. They reduce guest questions and increase your ratings. A fully stocked kitchen is one of the biggest guest expectations, even in smaller places. Here's what every Airbnb kitchen should have: basic cookware and utensils, plates, bowls, mugs, and glasses, a kettle, toaster, and coffee maker, dish soap, sponge, and trash bags, a few pantry basics: salt, pepper, oil. And remember, dining furniture should feel clean, stable, and easy to wipe down. It doesn't have to be expensive, but it should feel intentional. Short on space? No problem. Try these space-saving ideas. Use ottomans with hidden storage, wall-mounted shelves instead of bulky bookcases, underbed bins for extra linens, foldable desks or tables that tuck away, hooks behind doors for coats and bags. Your guests will appreciate the functionality, and your place will feel less cluttered. You don't need a designer budget to make your space feel special. Try this formula: one statement piece per room. Add personality with cushions, rugs, or wall art. Stick to a color palette. Neutral with a few pops of color works great. Use indoor plants or faux greenery to add life. Avoid anything fragile or high maintenance. The goal? A space that feels warm, intentional, and memorable. Where should you shop? You've got options. Budget-friendly: IKEA, Wayfair, Amazon. Mid-range with more personality: Article, Structube, Sustainable Picks, Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, vintage finds. Pro tip: get furniture with removable, washable covers when possible. Guests spill things. It's life. Furnishing your Airbnb is more than filling a space. It's about creating an experience. When guests feel like you've thought of their needs before they arrive, that's when the 5-star reviews roll in. So keep it clean, keep it comfy, and above all, keep it guest-focused. Thanks for tuning in to Marvelous Host. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more tips, tools, and resources at marveloushost.com. See you in the next one, and happy hosting!